The religion of Christ does not require us to lose our identity of character, but merely to adapt ourselves in some measure to the feelings and ways of others. Many people may be brought together in a unity of religious faith, whose opinions, habits, and taste in temporal matters are not in harmony. But with the love of Christ glowing in their bosoms, looking forward to the same heaven as their eternal home, they may have the sweetest and most intelligent communion together, and a unity the most wonderful. Ellen G. White, Bible Echo and Signs of the Times, December 1st, 1886, paragraph 13. When Sunday observance shall be enforced by law, and the world shall be enlightened concerning the obligation of the true seventh-day Sabbath, then whoever shall transgress the command of God to obey a precept which has no higher authority than that of Rome will thereby honor popery above God. He is paying homage to the papacy of Rome and to the power which enforces the institution ordained by Rome. Ellen G. White, Maranatha, page 169.